Hello, my name's Randy. Welcome to PHP Paradise. PHP is a programming language that can add advanced functionality to our web pages and make them easier to maintain as our sites grow. Before starting with PHP, you should already know a little about how web pages work and be able to write some HTML and CSS. If you don't, you might want to take a detour and head over to Website Waters first. Once you're ready to learn PHP, we're going to build this online t-shirt store. Visitors can browse through the collection of shirts and look at details for a specific shirt. We'll integrate the site with a PayPal shopping cart so that visitors can purchase the shirts through PayPal. We'll also build a contact form that sends us an email whenever someone fills it out. We'll use PHP to add this functionality and to keep the design and product information consistent across the site as the catalog grows. As we go, we'll cover core programming concepts like variables and conditionals and sophisticated techniques for building more dynamic websites like form processing and template files. We'll be making an online store, but you can build all sorts of websites and web applications with PHP, like social networks, forums, blogs, and more. Ready to get started? Let's open up our text editors and take a look at a very simple example of what PHP code looks like. First, we'll type an opening angled bracket, followed by a question mark and the letters PHP with no spaces in between them. Then we'll type a space and the word echo, followed by another space. Next, a quotation mark, the name of our website, Shirts for Mike, followed by another quotation mark, a semicolon, a space, another question mark, and a closed angled bracket. Now I'd like you to take a turn typing this line out. Make sure you type it exactly as I have done here. When you're done, we'll go over each part.